Hello, this is Luke at DG Weaver in Talbot Green with another new to stock walk around video. Today we have a first one for me. So this is a Toyota C-HR Excel hybrid, which I think most of the Toyotas are these days. As we're walking around it, we're just double checking for any major damage, chips, dents that you'd be unhappy with as a customer. So we're going to try and highlight those for you if we can find any. Going around the car at this moment in time, I can't see anything jumping out at me. We'll do some close-ups of the alloys on a second pass round. I can see we've got a little scuff on the front bumper by there. I think camera should be picking that up by that sensor. Quick scout across the bonnet here, see how it's looking. Not too bad. It's got a weird shape design, this bonnet, which makes it look like it's got a dent there, but it doesn't. That's just the shape of the bonnet. I also noticed that we've got a scuff on the other bumper on this side as well. Coming up then, we'll have a look at the roof just to make sure we haven't got any major dents from bike racks or roof boxes. Can't see anything from that angle. This is the one that we'd see if there was a problem. No, all looks perfect. Going down here then, we'll have a look at the driver's wing mirror, windscreen, and then we'll move on to the wheels. No problems with the wing mirror. And then across our windscreen, making sure we've got no major cracks or chips. It all looks good. So starting on our rear driver's side, we've got 18-inch alloy wheels. Front driver's side, a little bit of curbing there at the top, and I think that looks like a little bit there on the bottom as well, but apart from that, all good. Front passenger side, got some curbing down there, excuse me, and a little bit of curbing at the top there as well. And then our rear passenger side, a little bit of corrosion there. I'm not sure if that is curbing actually, curbing or corrosion. So then coming inside the car, double check these fabric walls for any damage. Got a little bit of paint by there or something by the looks of it, nothing major though. These are holes on purpose, so they're for tethers inside rather than that being damaged. Same on that side as well. Nothing on the driver's side, no problems. And let's double check for any loading marks. Tiny little mark there, but nothing major. Let's have a look inside the car. Coming inside the car then, and start on this rear driver's side. Check these seats for any major rips and holes. No problems there. Go on this centre one. All looks good. And have we got anything exciting down here? No, nothing to report there. A couple of little light marks, but nothing major. And then our rear passenger side. No problems at all here. And our front passenger side. Try and block out this light, so it's quite sunny. Nice seats in this car. On to our last but not least, driver's seat. And again, I like the design on these seats. Really, really classy, I think is the right word. We've got some sort of electronic lumbar support by the looks of it. So coming inside the car then, we've got a couple of buttons that I've got no idea what they must mean on Toyota. IPA cancelled, take over. I'll do some Googling to figure that out. We've got controls for our wing mirrors here, the power folding. They are indeed, oh sorry, blinding us. So fold in from that button. Fold back out from that button, and then neutral does nothing. Electronic front and rear windows. Coming across to the steering wheel, make sure we've got no major wear and tear there. Steering wheel then, we've got mode. Should we see what this does? Something up here. Oh, so switching between the audio modes. Okay, cool. Volume up. I'd imagine that's between our presets. Phone, answer and hang up. Voice control. This side then, we've got lane keeping, cruise control. I'd imagine this must be turning the front sensors on and off. Can't see it popping up anywhere though, not sure. Trip computer controls then here. We've got our mileage at 33,601. Trip computer, yeah, just flicks between them. Cool. Onto our infotainment system as well. So I've never sat in one of these. I'm just going to pause the video so I've got a little bit longer to figure it out. Okay, so I think I've figured out this infotainment system. Okay, so you've got the audio settings at the top here, which just brings you to the page. Press it again and then we can have our selection in terms of FM, DAB. You've got USB by here as well, and the Bluetooth. I have no idea what an iPod plug would be different to a USB though. That confuses me, but who knows? And I have no idea what a HAR is either. Sorry, somebody's gonna have to do some Googling for me on that one. Sat nav then is the next one down the bottom here. So built-in sat nav with the search function by here. Bottom button here then is you're going to be if your phone's connected. Okay, so telephone by here. Obviously I've not connected my phone for the purpose of this, otherwise I have to delete it every video. Settings on the left hand side here. This bottom one though is, press it properly, it brings up quite a interesting screen. It's got all the power generated from your driving and your average speed and range and all sorts of stuff. So in terms of if you're a fact and figure type of person, that screen is crazy. Coming down then, we got this climate control. So driver's side, is it dual? Yeah, it is a dual climate control. So we've got driver's side and passenger side. I'm going to leave them on low because it's absolutely boiling here in Talbot Green today. Heated passenger seat, yeah, heated driver's seat as well, all working. Not going to turn those on today though. Auto windscreen, blowers on the rear, and your probably heated mirrors would be my guess looking at that button. Oh, back to dual. Okay, so it's controlled. We come down then, so it is an automatic gearbox. We've got a little lever at the back here which you sort of pop into it to pop into gear. And then we've got a rear view camera with no guidelines, so just a rear view camera. I've got drive and B. Don't know what B is. That's another Google as well. You'd assume some sort of battery mode, but I don't know if you'd have what charge you need to put into it. Electronic handbrake, auto hold on, EV mode. This must do some sort of electric miles, but let's do some Googling. And then last but not least, just a quick once over under the bonnet here. As you're probably well aware at this point, it's not going to be anything technical. We're just making sure it looks clean and tidy and presentable and well looked after. Thank you very much.